Hello everyone, myself Dr. Diksha Gunkar. I am an assistant professor in Dhole Patil College of Physiotherapy. Today we are having my colleagues with us on the occasion of World ORS Day. So she is Dr. Priyanka Patil. She is an assistant professor and she has done her masters in CBR. She is Dr. Supriya Raikwar. She is an assistant professor and she has done her masters in cardiorespiratory physiotherapy. So, on the occasion of World ORS Day, we are having a special interview with Dr. Priyanka and Dr. Supriya. So let's start with the session. So, Dr. Priyanka, can you please tell me why do we celebrate World ORS Day?
So talking about World ORS Day, it is celebrated every year on 29th of July. This is celebrated to highlight basically on our health rehydration or water rehydration in our body, which is a very cost effective measure as a health intervention. It is basically given on treatment for diarrhea, vomiting and etc. in children especially. For this year, we have the theme of World ORS Day as Amrut in Dehydration.
Okay, Dr. Priyanka, can you tell us that what do you exactly mean by dehydration?
So talking about dehydration, basically dehydration is how much ever the input is, then that the output is more. So जर आपण म्हणायला गेलो तर जितकं पाणी आपण पीत आहोत त्याच्यापेक्षा जास्त पाणी जर आपल्या बॉडीतनं बाहेर पडत असेल, so there is definitely a reduction in the water in our body and therefore a person has dehydration.
Okay. So Dr. Supriya, how do I prepare an ORS solution at home?
So why do we need ORS? Basically, as ma'am has told everyone that ORS is needed for dehydration. So this can be prepared at home as well. What you need is 1 liter of water. You can take it into 250 ml of cup. You have to add 6 teaspoons of sugar and 1 teaspoon of salt, and you have to stir well until the sugar gets dissolved. So what you have to keep in mind that too much of sugar can cause more diarrhea. So you have to keep in mind that you just have to add 6 teaspoon level of sugar, and if there is more salt, then it will be harmful for children.
Okay. So can you tell us that how to make the ORS drink which is available in a powder form?
So powder form which is available in all the medical stores, you have to get it, and basically you need water in a clean cup, in a stilled water in a clean cup, and then you have to add the ORS form of powder water in that. Make sure you are not adding any kind of sugar, you are adding only water. No additional cold drinks or milk, soup can be added. So make sure you are just adding water in it, you are not adding any kind of juices in that. And if you are adding too much of water, it can cause more diarrhea, like it can create diarrhea.
Okay. So Dr. Priyanka, what is the physiological basis of ORS?
So now we are talking about more over ORS. What is this ORS? ORS is oral rehydration solution. So as Dr. Supriya already mentioned that this solution is made up of salts and water. So in this we have salts like sodium and potassium. And what are these salts? These salts are basically electrolytes. So when we talk about electrolytes, whenever we consume food, these kind of salts, they get absorbed by the cells, and the function of this electrolyte is basically to maintain fluidity in the cells. So they maintain a balance between an intracellular fluid with the extracellular fluid, and these electrolytes also are helpful in the muscle regain tissue. It also helps to maintain a good healthy nerves and muscles and to rebuild the damaged tissues. So basically these salts are very important in our body.
Dr. Supriya, how much ORS drink can be given to a person?
Really nice question. So for that I would like to answer by segregating the ages. So for the children under the age of 2 years, you can give around 1/4 or half of the cup of 250 ml after each watery stool. If the children is more than 2 years of age, you can give half the cup of 250 ml. And if the children is having a lot of vomiting, so you just have to wait for 10 minutes, and after 10 minutes you can give 1 teaspoon every 2 to 3 minutes. And if the children, like the child is breastfeeding, so you don't need to stop the breastfeeding procedure. You can continue giving ORS along with the breastfeeding.
So one more question, Dr. Supriya. Can ORS solution be stored?
Yes. So basically, you are supposed to store the ORS solution till 24 hours. If you are trying to store the ORS solution more than 24 hours, there is a chances of bacterial contaminations.
Right, okay. And can ORS be used for everyone?
Yes. So basically, you can use ORS for any kind of age, for anyone, male, female. But the thing is, like children are more prone to dehydration. So it's better if you give children more watery or ORS solution than female or any adult. So basically, children are more prone for dehydration compared to adults.
Right. So Dr. Priyanka, how severe is dehydration in India?
So talking about in India, if we see the prevalence in the previous years, there was a study in India which was done for 10 years, and it says that every day at least 320 children suffer from dehydration. So that is the India statistics in from 2005 to 2015. After 2015 we have definitely improved, but still the severity of dehydration in children is more, and according to WHO, it says that when a baby is of 1 month, when he is already into breastfeeding, so from 1 month baby till the age of 24 months, so that is the 2 years of age, till that time the maximum 74% of the children, they suffer from dehydration. And in India we have almost after the age of 5 years, like under the age of 5 years, maximum hospitalizations because of dehydration. So definitely we should take care of our children, that they should be rehydrated, whether it's a breastfeeding child or he is already consuming food. Definitely a balance of salts, electrolytes and water has to be maintained in the body.
So that was a really informative session by Dr. Priyanka and Dr. Supriya. So let's have the importance of ORS and the oral solutions in our life, and let's keep everyone hydrated.